The biggest bubble of everything is about to pop, and we are most likely entering a multi-year long bear market, and a lot of people are already preparing for this. A lot of people do already expect something like this. So guys, that will be the topic of today's video. I'm going to show you my cycle count on the regular financial markets. We are going to have a look at why I think we are entering the later stages of a bull market. Also don't want to bring complete panic right now, because we most likely still are going to get some firework going. And yeah, let's just jump straight into it. And I've talked about it earlier in today's video, and I just want to show with some illustration what we are seeing right now. And first of all, we have this rising channel in the regular financial markets, and right now we just broke to the upside from that rising channel. And this is something that I have been talking about as well. We're expecting this to break out to the upside most likely, and when that happens, we are going to see an acceleration of that bull market. How long that is going to last, that's not really sure, but once that ends, we are going to see a massive correction. And the 2020 correction will look like almost nothing. And probably the 2008 correction, the housing market crash, will also look like peanuts compared to what we are going to see right here. So let's start off with the interest rates, and let's go to the weekly time frame. I can show you guys a little bit. Below right here, you see the interest rates. This is the red line. And this policy, the interest rates, basically dominates a little bit how much money is entering the regular financial markets. Whenever this is low, a lot of money is entering the markets. And whenever this is high, a lot of selling pressure is basically being put on the markets. So what we can see right here, for example, here we have a period where we have the interest rates coming up. The moment the interest rates are being cut, that's the moment we see a top, the fall of the Lehman Brothers. We had a massive correction, also known as the 2008 financial collapse. And yeah, multi-year long bear market. The stock market came down from the top till the bottom more than 50%. Right? And before that, we had a period where interest rates went up, a little bit sideways, it stayed up, and then the moment we go down, actually already before, we see a top and this comes down. This one is known as the dot-com bubble pop, the dot-com crash, right? This period is known. So you got the dot-com bubble crash, which went hand in hand when the terrorist attacks happened in America. This one went hand in hand with the fall of the Lehman Brothers. And right now, as you can see, we have seen a rapid amount of increase in interest rates. And this is almost triple to what we have seen right here. This period of interest rates, which eventually led to the COVID crash in 2020. But this is also already way higher than what we have seen in 2008. But it's not only higher, as you can see, it's higher. The interest rates are higher than in 2008, but it also happened in a much quicker pace. And this thing always have a delay. So that's something to take into consideration as well. So what we're seeing right now is we're just seeing an acceleration of this bull market. We have this rising channel breakout to the upside, and I think we're gonna see something like this: rising channel breakout to the upside, acceleration in that rally, and then we're going to turn around, and then we're going to see a massive crash. I remember this one exactly. We were also talking about this channel, and we said the moment we break back into this channel, this is going to be a very bad time for the stock market. And it was really, in a short amount of time, we just had seen a crazy decline. And of course, no one really expected this. This came really unexpected, and so will this one. This one will also come for most people very unexpected. That's exactly the reason why I'm talking about this, because I want everybody to basically prepare and be aware of it, so that you at least can set some alerts and that you not get caught off guard. So this is the cycle count that I have. Basically, what I'm saying already since a long time, already maybe since 2 years, I expect a top to occur in this red box right here. And I expect this one to break out the moment we broke this horizontal resistance, which was pretty significant actually. This chart basically is the S&P 500 divided by the money supply. So this is the purchasing power of the S&P 500. Here you can see we are at new all-time highs. Well, that's true in terms of numbers, but in terms of purchasing power, that's definitely not the case. But here you can see it pretty clearly. We broke a significant resistance right here. And in terms of purchasing power, we have this rising channel. We broke the resistance of that rising channel right now, already coming up. And we are seeing that acceleration. Look how steep this price action is. It's just insane. Maybe we get a retest and then we just continue. Maybe we just continue and go into that blow off top. And then we top and then we can see a massive correction. Something maybe similar as 2008. But guys, you know all the stories that's going on. You know what's going on in the world right now. There is so much turmoil. There is way more turmoil than in 2008 or the year 2000. So when this bubble is going to pop, I think it will be way worse than 2008 and the year 2000. I'm not here to scare everybody. I don't want to spread fear. Don't be scared of it, but at least when you see something like this, you can at least prepare yourself so you're not being caught off guard. A lot of people actually became rich during this time and during this time. It's a very good period if you know what to do. And guys, I'm not the only one who is aware of this stuff. So if we have a look, for example, Jeff Bezos sold almost all his Amazon stocks. We have Warren Buffett sitting on the sidelines with 189 billion in cash. Crazy. Here again, Jeff Bezos, Jamie Dimon, Mark Zuckerberg have sold their stock about 9 billion. That was February 2024 is another one. Mark Zuckerberg sold a couple of million of his Meta stock. The thing is, guys, what we are seeing often, these people, they sell their stocks right here. They already, they are offloading their stocks, at these moments. They already know what is going to happen. They already feel themselves that most likely we are going to see a big market correction. Otherwise, they wouldn't sell, most of their stocks. You got to imagine this. They are even selling the amount of stocks of their own companies. So if someone has insider information, it's gonna be them. That makes me to the second point. Of course, if they would sell exactly at the top, it would be very bad for their PR. If they would sell exactly at the top, they might get charged with insider trading. Who knows? They want to be on time. They want to be. It's better to be 1 year too early than 1 day too late, right? So when things go down, it also go down very quickly. They want to avoid that. So what do? They all sell right now when everyone is still at the latest phase of a bull market. Everyone is starting to get optimistic, and they actually think why is Jeff Bezos selling? Doesn't make any sense. Well, believe me, in a couple of years from now, most likely it will have made a lot of sense that he sold. But then you would forget about it because he already did it before that chaos came, before the chaos occurred. My count for the bottom of next business cycle will be late 2026, and my previous count was December 2008, and the previous count right here was February 89. As you can see, these counts aligning very precisely with big market shifts. Market bottom right here. Even the top of the business cycle was right here in the year 2000. That is really... Is it coincidence? Well, I don't think so. I think these things move in a timely manner. And I think right now it's time to be careful, because we are most likely, in my opinion, going to see a massive correction after we peaked. And where we're going to peak, only God knows. We don't know, because this can go crazy. Maybe we visit the highs of the .com bubble right here. Maybe we come to roughly at these highs. Possible. Maybe we overshoot it slightly and then come down again. I don't know. But the thing I do know is the moment this thing breaks back into this channel, and this channel has been created since the year 2009, so that is a very long, longer than 10 year channel. The moment we break back into this channel, things are going to look very, very ugly. You might want to be already earlier. You might want to be like Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, and already slowly starting to sell your stock positions right here. Imagine if you have a multi-billion-dollar company that's on the stock market, that is your heart and soul. You made all your money with that, you work full-time in that, and you believe in that. The reason that it is so successful is because you believe so much in that. You've worked so many years for that, and you're just gonna sell. You're just gonna sell. You're just gonna sell those stocks. Well, but I definitely think, like, if you're gonna do that, it's not just a administrative thing. Oh, I'm just going to sell because I need some administration, I need to pay some fees, and I need to do this and this, that. No, these are significant moves. These are really significant moves, in my personal opinion, that already show us that we are not the only one expecting something like this to occur. So yeah, guys, that is my 5 cents of today's video. Let me know in the comment section what you think. I'm gonna keep you guys posted of this, so make sure to subscribe down below. Like I said, soon I have a gift for the subscribers. Gonna be really awesome, especially for the ones that are actively trading crypto. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Let me bring out the thumbs up, guys. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Very much appreciated. I want to wish every single one of you safe trading, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.